Hello and welcome to the 4 C's for SAP Business One Fix It Friday edition. Today we're covering off reference documents. So this is one of these hidden SAP Business One features that once as you see and know what this feature is used for, you'll find uses for it. So for today's Fix It Friday, showing you the reference documents, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a sales order where I've linked a couple of documents to it. And then I'll show you within the relationship map how you can view these documents. And we'll drill into the document as well so you can see that they're all back referenced. So this feature of the reference documents is kept within the accounting tab of your documents, and you'll see it here on the right hand side in the middle. It says reference documents, and you can see that I have linked 2 documents. If you click the ellipse, the 3 dots here, it opens up a separate document where you can link all different types of SAP Business One documents, journal entries, payments, anything that might not necessarily be part of like the 3 or 4-way matching that SAP Business One inherently has within the relationship map. So for example, a quote to a sales order, to a delivery, to an invoice, to a payment. If you have things like an accrual or an adjusting journal entry or an AP invoice, or other types of things that you want to relate back to the sales order to get an overall vision of what's going on with all these related documents, this feature allows you to do all of that. So within here, what you do is you would just pick your document that you want to pick up, and then you can browse and find the document that that pertains to that customer, and we can simply just update this, and then we update the marketing document. So when we open up the relationship map, you can see that it has a traditional linking of the documents, as I mentioned. Now within version 10 SP11, they've added this new feature here with this little checkbox. And what that will do is it'll show you the reference documents. Do not have this option within your build. You can still view these reference documents by going into the drop-down menu here of the relationship map and calling up the reference documents, and then it will show you the reference documents. It just doesn't have the full path like we showed in the other one. These reference documents, if we drill into the AP invoice, for example, I talked about the reference to and reference by. If we go into the reference documents here, you can see that we don't have a reference to, but you can see here that it's been referenced by that sales order, and we have the golden arrow to go back to that sales order itself. So within SAP Business One, you know, if you're more than 2 clicks to pieces of information, I recommend reaching out to an expert and asking if there's a better way to do things, because normally there is, such as the reference document feature covered off in today's Fix It Friday. So this concludes the Fix It Friday reference documents video. Hopefully you learned something from this today, and if you need any help with this, reach out and we're here to help you. Take care and stay connected.